In this particular example, we want to look at some properties of a triangle. And I'm going to draw a triangle. If you have your book in front of you, go ahead and look for this particular example. In this particular edition, it's chapter 2, section 6, verse 6. It's just got a lot of words, and I just didn't want to write them out on the board. But it tells me something about each of the particular angles. And it kind of gives me a little bit of a code. It tells me that the measure of the first angle is twice the measure of the second angle. And the measure of the third angle is 20 degrees less than that of the second angle. What is the measure of each angle? Well, the first thing I need to do is, what is it that I know nothing about whatsoever? And what I know nothing about is I don't know anything about the measure of the second angle. Everything else was described in terms of that second angle. So the second angle is just x. The first angle is twice the measure of the second angle. So how would I decide that? Well, that would be 2x. And then it tells me that the third angle was measured 20 degrees less than that of the second angle. So x take away 20. So what are the measures of each of the angles? Well, if I remember from geometry, or if I'm learning right now, the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So this angle plus that angle equal 180 degrees. 2x plus x minus 20 equals 180. So I was able to develop an equation with one unknown. Add up all my x's. 4x minus 20 equals 180. 4x equals 200. X equals 50. So I found out x, but the question asked me, what's the measure of each angle? So this one appears to be 50. This one's twice that. And this one's 50 take away 20, which is 30. So the degrees of each angle is 50 degrees, 100 degrees, and 30 degrees.